Over the next few days, we can expect a mix of sun and clouds, with a few scattered showers here and there. Temperatures will remain mild and comfortable, with highs in the mid to upper 70s, 24, 26, and lows in the 50s, 10, 15. Humidity levels will be moderate, making for comfortable outdoor conditions. By midweek, a weak cold front will move through the area, bringing with it slightly cooler temperatures and a chance for more widespread rain showers.
The front will clear out by the end of the week, bringing back dry and comfortable weather for the weekend. In terms of wind, we can expect light and variable breezes throughout the week, with occasional gusts of up to 10 to 15 miles per hour, 16 to 24 AM/H during thunderstorms. Overall, it looks like a fairly typical spring weather pattern for our area, with mild temperatures and occasional rain showers. As always, be sure to check back for updated forecasts and stay prepared for any weather changes that may occur.